Oh, hello everyone! Welcome na naman tayo dito sa ating munting kusina. Welcome here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Today, I am going to show you how to make very easy type of salad. So I have here cucumbers. So I wash your cucumbers properly into cold water, then peel it, which I peeled it already, and I slice it into thin slices. Just enough, not so thin. Okay, now for the cherry tomatoes, I have lots of crunchy cherry tomatoes. I washed it, then I slice it and simply add this all together into your cucumbers. Now, if you have a pineapple, you can slice the pineapple into cubes, or even this type of mangoes. Then you can mix this all together wonderfully. Now I am going to add apple cider and also salt. So you can also use vinegar or sukang maasim or sugarcane vinegar or lemon or lime, So add salt, generous amount of salt. And then I am going to add 100% pure raw honey. This is unfiltered. So you can use brown sugar or white sugar if you want. That can be very, very optional. The honey can be very, very optional. So this is for our salad. So this quite done. Set that aside as long as you mix it properly. Now for simple tip for your salad, mix your salad 5 minutes prior to your to your lunch or supper, so that it will still remain crunchy. So set this aside, and so that's good to go. Okay, now while at the same time I preheated my stove because we're going to fry our molmol na fish. Okay, so this is salted dried fish or tuyo or bulad. So here in my cooking pot, I am going to add vegetable oil. So adding oil or any kind of cooking oil. Simply, you can always go ahead. You can use canola, whatever makes you happy. So I'm going to fry my molmol na fish. My kawala, it's not really totally balanced. So I got this type of molmol or parrot fish in the Philippines when I went home a month ago. So I bought this. Now this kind of fish, it's not really that salty, so this is just perfect. This is from Zamboanga. So Zamboanga City, or part of Zamboanga, they have the best tuyo or dried fish there, or bulad. We call that bulad in Bisaya. So I will fry this one until this is golden brown. Now after frying this, I'll have to drain this one, having my paper towel. So I prepared my paper towel for the excess oil to be drained. This kind of fish, it weighs 500 grams or half a kilo or 1 pound. So wonderful friends, I want to make sure that I have my rice. Okay, there you go. So the tuyo or the bulad, it's quite done. So I'll have to drain this into my paper towel. Set that aside for now. So we're going to saute our ginger, strips of ginger. Then I have here my garlic and my white cooking onions. So we will saute that one until this will become slightly golden brown or translucent, until this will become fragrant. I like to use lots and lots of spices, but you can always adjust your spices depending upon your budget. Okay, there you go. And I have here my kamatis or tomatoes. So remember, we have lots of tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes. I have to wash it thoroughly into cold water. So I will add my tomatoes into our onions, garlic, and ginger spices. So we will saute this one until all the spices are well combined. I will add black pepper, adding salt and black pepper or any savory enhancer. It depends upon your taste buds. You can always adjust it. I will smash the tomatoes. Now, since the spices, there's a lot of, the quantity of the spices, there's a lot. So I'm going to add patis or fish sauce. Even if the bulad or the tuyo is a little bit salty, but that kind of tuyo, it's not really that very, very salty. And besides, we're going to add palaya or ampalaya or bitter gourd melon. As I have here, lots and bitter gourd melon. So just wash it thoroughly, deseed it, and then slice it. So I slice it like that. I will just add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. And a little bit of honey. That can be very, very optional, friends. Smash it. Okay, a little bit of black pepper. When I cook, friends, I don't really measure. I'm just eyeballing all the ingredients. I don't even taste it. I seldom taste it. Very, very seldom. Okay. Remember, friends, cooking and baking, they always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen. It gives you the ideas of on what to prepare for your family's next meal. And this is simply for fun, sharing, and learning. I am going to add my palaya or ampalaya, bitter gourd melon. Cook this maybe for 1 minute. I want my ampalaya to be crunchy, not too overly cooked. Okay, there you go. I believe sharing my simple recipes, it makes me feel happy. Sharing is caring. Okay, there you go, friends. After that, wonderful friends, this is done. So I am going to add my bulad. Okay, there you go. Okay, wonderful friends, thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Stay tuned for the next cooking and baking videos that I am going to share with you. Till the next time, friends, this is your home cook buddy La Arnie saying you daghan kaayong salamat. Okay, there you go. This is ready. So come, let's eat. By the way, you can also add some slices of your favorite onions. Be it green onions or the yellow onions or the red onions. This is quite done. Thank you.